Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a try-on haul with ROMWE, and I got some discounts for you guys. And first of all, let me just say that this clothing store is already severely cheap, and then on top of that, you guys do get my code. So right after that, you guys get a great discount, and I am so excited to show you guys all these pieces because I know for a fact I'm going to be wearing the heck out of all of these pieces, especially since we're in the summertime now. It is hot. I know you guys always love when I give you guys a bargain, so here we are. Super cute items for very cheap. So let's get right on into the try-on haul. So today we do have more of a casual setting. We're just chilling in my beauty room. I'm right in front of my vanity. I'm so excited to show you guys my vanity tour once it's done. It just needs like one or two things finished onto the walls just to decorate a little bit, and then it'll be done. It's just like very glam, and like it's my happy space because I come in here when I want to do my makeup. I can actually chill in here all day long. It's insane. But besides the point, that's the background that you guys are getting today, just so we have more of like a best friend try-on haul like type vibe. So anyway, this is the first piece. So this here is the first set, and this is just a gray comfy set. You can wear this to go to sleep, but I personally would wear this out. I would easily pair this with some tennies and some high socks. Super cute and comfy. I love wearing things like this when I'm running errands, especially in the summertime. I'm not trying to wear sweats. All right, this top right here is the next piece, and it is so cute. Little staple pieces like this with a cute little embellishment is always so cute. So this is something that would be great with some sweats, some shorts, some jeans, literally anything. So I love having simple little pieces like this so I can pair them with any bottom. You can pretty much do anything with all of these tops that I'm showing you, dress it up and down. That's why basics are literally the best thing ever. And then it does have the ribbons here so you can adjust it to how you guys like. Armani! Armani's literally attacking this fly. He hates flies with all of his soul. Come here. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. I hate flies so much. Look, Papa. Say hello to the camera. Okay, we need to pause for a second because this lavender tone, y'all, I only think that it looks a little bit weird on me because I do have boobies, so it kind of puffs out a little bit. But if you do have smaller boobies, I feel like this would definitely hang on you a lot better than me. But this is hella cute. It has all of this ribboning right here and this lace and the lavender, super sexy. Can we talk about this color here, guys? Oh my gosh, this is like major summer vibes. So I know that tie-dye has been super in. The material, guys, so comfy. I could actually sleep in this. So I would prefer this top to be tighter just so it could be like this, just because I feel like it flatters me more, just so it does make me look like I have more curves. So it's really just up to your guys' preference and what you do and don't like, but super freaking cute. Okay, this one is freaking adorable. So we have 3 angels on a tee. Really, I've noticed that all these pieces that I picked up could either be worn to lounge around and also make it like a going out outfit. So I really do appreciate that about all of these staple pieces. You honestly get so many different vibes by like how it fits you. So loose, you get very like, I'm chilling, I'm lounging. And then when you tighten it, it looks like, baby girl, I'm ready to go to brunch. Okay, wow, this top fits really, really well. This is what it looks like on. It's just 2 angels. We're going for that angel theme, and here it says whisper. The way that I would pair this is honestly what I'm wearing right now, which is just my little gray shorts. All right, and now we have this cute little devil child tank. This would be adorable with some blue boyfriend jeans. How adorable it's gonna make you look super snatched. I have a weakness for cute little shirts like this because it's like, they're so baby. Like, and speaking of cute little baby tops, I think that this one is so cute. It's just a cute little XO with the heart and a baby teddy bear. Like, what? I'm actually so excited to put these away and so I can start wearing them right freaking away. These straps though aren't adjustable. These are just like one size straps. But also a pro tip, if these straps are way too long for you, I do recommend that you guys cross your tops and then put your head through here in the middle, so the straps will crisscross like this, and it's also going to make your girls look really good. So all right, and this is the next top. This one's adorable. The only thing that did trick me though is that these buttons are actually not removable, so you can't unbutton it. This is just how the top is. I do wish that it unbuttoned just because I do like to have like one open, and that's the only thing that I can say about this, but it is very comfortable. This shirt would also be super cute with like a hot pink skirt. Ooh, Barbie vibes. All right, this is the next top. This is a oversized tee. It's actually not very oversized if we're being completely honest. Like, this is how it fits me. It's just like a normal tee. It's just a little bit more boxy. And I love when my shirts fit like this. I do prefer it to be a little bit bigger just because I like to literally swim in my big oversized t-shirts, but this one just fits very well. This design though is super cute. I just love anything that looks like very vintage and oversized. It's just a complete vibe. Then we have a few sweaters that I do want to show you guys. These are like more sweatshirts, pullovers, more like on a t-shirt side, and they're not hot at all. But this is definitely bearable. Like, this would be good for a light cover up like by the beach. Yeah, they're good for like a nice little breeze so you're not cold. But and you guys knowing me, you know that I saw this on the website and I simply could not pass it up. Like, cute. This is very Barbie. I just simply couldn't pass it up. This is like the cutest little top ever. But this is a cotton material, so it definitely will shrink. And then also if it is too big still, definitely the crisscross would be super cute. So next little sweater, this is a zip up. So cute. This one is super light. As you guys can see, it is like kind of cropped. But this is definitely something that you can wear literally in any type of way that you want. It's just super casual and super light. As you can see, it is a little bit see-through. And also this is embroidered on. It's not just a print. So we love quality. Okay, this one actually wins the winning prize. Like, can we just take a moment of like how it fits? It's very boxy, but I really like that because it's giving me very like athletic, athleisure, lounging, comfy vibes. Like, and normally I am not a big fan of purple. Like, it's actually my least favorite color ever, but it's cute. Very lastly, this is a set that's sold together. So just a quick little tip, ROMWE does have a section just for sets, and they're actually so cute. Like, this, does this not remind you of an iconic like TikTok outfit? And it also comes with this adorable plaid skirt. Like, you really cannot beat that. All right, y'all, so that is the end of my video. I am giving you guys like a low-key little sneak peek of my beauty room. Don't mind the mess because we're still in the works with it. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like a discount, remember that my code is Aidette1. And let me know what your guys' favorite pieces was that I tried on for you guys. So I will talk to you guys in my next video.